how to install Far Cry 4 on your PC easy way. So if you want to download Far Cry 4 on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need some theme, go with your browser and search for Steam. If you've already installed your Steam, then you can directly go with your Steam application. But if you've not installed your Steam, then you just need simply go with your browser, click on it, and it will have install Steam option, which will be on the top right. Go and install your Steam. After installing your Steam application, you can open up the application and it will have the same kind of interface that you see right here. And then you need to go with search for store or search the store, and you need to search for the game, which is Far Cry 4. If you want to go with 4, you can just simply search for 4. Click on it, you'll find the game right here. So if you want to download or install this game, you need to first pay for the game. Without paying, you won't be able to install it. So go with add to cart, or just go with the payment section. Once you've added to your cart, now you need to go with view my cart and go and select the game. Go with continue to payment, which is on the right side. If you've not added your payment method, you just need simply go and add your payment method. Once you've added your payment method, continue and then pay for the game. Once you pay, you will have the install or download button and you'll be able to install it. That's the easy way to download Far Cry 4 on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.